and today we are going to discuss on the topic our school. So I know all of you are little bit upset because for so many days you have not come to school, but still it's in our book and we have to go through the chapter. So let's start our chapter. So the first question which I will ask you, that is, do you think that we should go to school regularly or we can be irregular at school? Yes, some of the students are answering, and Nandini is answering. Nandini, it seems you are looking a little bit dark. Sir, this is light problem from that side? No. Okay. So Nandini has given yes answer. Okay, regularly. Yes, we should go to school regularly. Now the most important thing, that why we should go to school regularly, what do we learn from there? Do we learn from something from there? Do you enjoy to go to school? Yes. So, do you enjoy going school? Okay, yes. Shataki has nodded his head and everyone is giving the answer. Yes, Shomrik and Jasim, everyone is writing yes, they enjoy coming to school. That's very nice. And now, why school is considered as the second home of a child? Why I say that school is your second home? And if school is your second home, you should take care of your school, for the cleanliness of the school, to maintain discipline of the school. You should take care as you behave at your home. So, do you think that school is your second home? Do you think that school is your second home? Yes, Jasim has given the answer. Yes, school is his second home. That's very nice. So, school is the second home of a child because over here child learns to, what they learn? They learn to read. They learn to write. They learn to dance. They learn to paint. They learn to play. They learn to sing. So, these are some of the activities which students learn after coming to school, like reading, writing, dancing, painting, playing, singing. So, these activities are considered as more or less mandatory for a student when they are coming to a classroom or a school building. They will learn this one. But along with that, what more you learn? The extra part which you learn, that is, school shapes up your character. School shapes up your personality. School helps you to make you understand what is good and what is bad for you. School teaches you the sharing and caring. School teaches you social relationships. School teaches you how to behave with your friends. School, in your classroom, from your teachers, you learn how to respect your parents, how to respect your country, how to respect your elders. Yes, how to go along with the social relationships, how to take care of your parents. You learn moral values from school. You learn moral values in your classroom. That shapes up your character. That shapes you up in a good person. Your teacher gives you the spark of positiveness. They always try to bring up you. Your growth, your development, your progress should be in a positive way. It should reflect positiveness in your conversation. Whenever you are upset, whenever you are not feeling well, your teachers make you ready to fight back. With the grace of God, you will fight back with the situation which is not favorable in your side. It is not favorable for you, which is not some of your thinkings which are not good for the society. Those things are being rectified in you. They are being nurtured in such a good manner that from the bad things you learn the good things. And if you are already in the positive manner, you go to the excellent peak of point. So, school is not only teaching reading, writing, dancing, painting, playing and singing, but also teaching you your moral values, but also teaching you how to behave with the people whom you doesn't know, how to behave with the people who are near and dear ones to you, who are the person of your country, how to respect your country, how you will obey the instructions of your elders, how you will love your youngers. Okay, so as our house also has different parts, different rooms, in school also we are having different parts, different rooms, but each and every part is having their own significance. School is not a place where you get knowledge or you just learn something. It's the temple of knowledge. It's a place to worship the goddess of knowledge. So, celebrations, grand celebrations are being done at your school, picnics, excursions, all these are being arranged so that students can learn that how to enjoy together, how to be united, how to go along with their friends in the social relation. Okay, so these are the many things which are not written in the curriculum, which are not mentioned in your diaries, which are not mentioned in the books, but these are the very important parts which you learn from your school, from your teachers, in your classroom. So, I will be discussing again on this part, on the different parts of school in your next class. Till that time, you just go through the chapter of the page of this and just think about what many things you learn from your school. And till that time, take care, goodbye, be safe and always be healthy. Okay? Bye bye. Bye.